Hey guys, welcome back! If you're a home baker who loves showing off your creations, today's video is for you. I'm counting down the top 6 best cake stands on Amazon right now, from elegant wood designs to sturdy acrylic options. I tested these myself, so I'll give you the real pros and cons. Stick around till the end for my personal favorite. Let's jump right in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product number 1. Nestroots Cake Stand. The Nestroots Cake Stand kicks off our list with a sturdy, elegant design that instantly elevates any dessert table. Made with quality materials, it offers a solid base that won't wobble, even with heavier cakes. I love how versatile it is. Perfect for birthday parties, weddings, or just a casual weekend bake. The finish gives it a premium look without the premium price tag, making it a fantastic, budget-friendly option for home bakers who still want their creations to look bakery-worthy. It's easy to clean, lightweight enough to move around, but stable enough to trust with multi-tier cakes. If you're just starting your baking journey or hosting your first big celebration, this is a great entry point into the world of cake stands. Amazon reviewers consistently praise its durability and classic design that matches almost any kitchen aesthetic. Honestly, for the price, the Nestroots Cake Stand delivers way more value than expected. A solid pick for anyone building their dessert display collection.
Product number 2. Masthome Acrylic Cake Stand. Next up is the Masthome Acrylic Cake Stand, and this one is all about that clean, modern, glass-like look without the fragility of actual glass. Acrylic stands have become super popular lately, and this one shows exactly why. It's crystal clear, sturdy, and gives your desserts a floating display effect that looks incredibly elegant in photos. If you're someone who loves aesthetic dessert tables for Instagram or family gatherings, this stand is a total game changer. It's shockproof, lightweight, and way easier to transport than heavier ceramic or wood alternatives. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just wipe it down and it's ready for the next event. I especially love using acrylic stands for cupcakes, macarons, and smaller treats since the clarity really makes colors pop. The Masthome Acrylic Cake Stand is ideal for home cooks who want a chic, minimalist look that still feels functional and durable for regular use.
Product number 3. Mango Wood Cake Stand. The Mango Wood Cake Stand brings warmth and rustic charm to this list, and honestly, it might be my personal favorite for everyday use. Each piece has natural wood grain variations, meaning no two stands look exactly alike. You're getting something truly unique. Mango wood is known for being durable and eco-friendly, which is a huge bonus if you care about sustainable kitchenware. This stand pairs beautifully with farmhouse, boho, or natural kitchen themes, and it works just as well for savory charcuterie boards as it does for cakes and desserts. It's sturdy enough to handle daily use without showing wear quickly, and the natural finish means it ages gracefully over time. For home cooks who want something that feels handcrafted and adds character to their kitchen decor, this is an easy recommendation. It's functional, beautiful, and versatile enough to use way beyond just cake displays. Product number 4. VIVIRBIEN Wooden Cake Stand. The VIVIRBIEN Wooden Cake Stand is next, and this one stands out for its clean, minimalist design combined with the natural durability of wood construction. It has a slightly more polished, contemporary look compared to raw, rustic wood stands, making it a great fit for modern kitchens or minimalist home decor lovers. The stand feels solid in hand, with a stable base that supports heavier cakes without any wobbling concerns. I really appreciate the smooth finish, which also makes it super easy to wipe clean after use. It's a great in-between option if you want something that feels premium but doesn't scream rustic farmhouse, as some wood stands do. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, birthday celebration, or just want a nicer way to display everyday desserts, the VIVIRBIEN stand fits right in. For home cooks looking for function and modern style in one product, this is definitely worth considering. Product number 5. ANBOXIT Cake Stand. Coming in at number 5, the ANBOXIT Cake Stand offers a sleek and practical design that works well for both special occasions and daily dessert storage. This stand focuses on functionality first. It's built to be stable, easy to clean, and versatile enough for cakes, pastries, or even fruit displays. I like that it doesn't try to over-design things. Instead, it delivers a reliable, no-fuss stand that just gets the job done beautifully every time. It's a great option for people who host often and need something they can count on without babying it. The size is practical for most standard cake sizes, making it flexible for birthdays, holidays, or weekend baking projects. If you want a cake stand that blends into almost any kitchen style while still looking put together, ANBOXIT is a smart, low-maintenance choice that home cooks will appreciate for its everyday reliability.
Product number 6, Hanobe Small Wood Cake Stand. Closing out our list is the Hanobe Small Wood Cake Stand, perfect for those who want something compact but still charming. This smaller size stand is ideal for individual cakes, small desserts, or tighter kitchen spaces where a large stand just isn't practical. The wood construction gives it that warm, natural aesthetic we all love, while the smaller footprint makes it super easy to store when not in use. I love using stands like this for personal celebrations, small gatherings, or even just treating yourself to a beautifully displayed dessert on a regular weekday. It's proof that you don't need something huge to make your desserts look special. For home cooks with limited counter or storage space, the Hanobe stand is a fantastic pick that doesn't sacrifice style for size. It's simple, functional, and adds just the right touch of charm to any dessert moment. And that wraps up my top 6 cake stands on Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. See you next time!